YouTube, my name is Shruti and you're watching Tickle Me Pink. So last week I was in Delhi for a few days and every single time I go to Delhi, I have only one thing on my agenda, a Sarojini Nagar trip. So that's what today's video is about, a Sarojini Nagar haul. Now every single time I visit this market, I usually just pick up like random things which look good. But this time I went with like a specific agenda in mind. Now Sarojini Nagar is famous for quite a few things like denims or like kimonos, capes, things like that. And those are the things that I wanted to pick up because you really don't get good quality denims and like capes and kimonos in the street markets of Bombay. Now if you like this video, then please do subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social media so that you will be updated with my video upload schedule. And now let's get started. So like I said, I went to Sarojini Nagar with a specific agenda in mind, and the first thing that I picked up was this pair of overalls. Now overalls are totally back in fashion. The last time I remember wearing overalls was like when I was in the 4th standard, but now they're totally in again, especially after Shraddha Kapoor wore it in OK Janu. I feel like everyone is wearing overalls and I really like these that I got from Sarojini Nagar. What I like about them is how baggy they are, because usually overalls can be like tight on the stomach and they kind of feel uncomfortable, but these are baggy, loose and perfect for summer. Because they're baggy and they have like this distressed style, I feel like they have like this Lilly Singh superwoman vibe to them, and I'm a huge Lilly Singh fan, so I really like these ones. Now I got these and a few other denim things which I will show you guys at a shop which was shop number 171 opposite Fish Point. Now these, I think I didn't really do a very good job bargaining because I paid 600 rupees for these. The shopkeeper was charging like 950 and I brought him down only to 600, which I think was not good bargaining from my side, but I still really love them anyway. Now the next thing that I bought was this denim shirt dress. Now again, shirt dresses are like totally in fashion right now, and I really feel like the quality of denim that you get in Sarojini Nagar is so good because this denim feels so like soft on the skin and it's just amazing. This one wasn't at shop number 171. I got this one at shop 41 and it was just 180 rupees. I think I was pretty good at bargaining this time. And now the next denim thing that I got was this denim skirt. I don't have even one denim skirt in my wardrobe and I've been dying to get one. So when I saw this in Sarojini Nagar, I jumped and I bought it like straight away. Again, I think I wasn't very good at bargaining because I paid like 300 rupees for it. And there was another lady who came and bought like a denim shirt from the same shop for like 200. So I think I could have brought it down more, but still I think it's a really good skirt and I absolutely love it. This skirt is again from the same shop number 171 where I bought the overalls from, and it is amazing. Now I've styled this skirt with this top which was for 150 rupees, guys. This is amazing because this has a French Connection tag on it. I think it's like one of those defective imports because getting a French Connection top only for 150 rupees is a major steal. Now the next thing that I bought was this boho top. Now I absolutely love this. This also has like that really soft like t-shirt cotton feel, and the lace detailing like on the shoulders and the back is so pretty, along with this like really bohemian design. This top also is perfect for summer and it was again 150 rupees only. Now this top and the one that you saw previously, you know, the cold shouldered one, were both bought in the same place, and that is like this small lane that is opposite a shop called Apparel Sons. And you get like really cool things over there, especially like cold shoulder and spaghetti kind of tops, and everything is 150 rupees. And the next thing that I bought was this entire outfit, which consists of a spaghetti strap top, lace shorts and a kimono, and this entire outfit was only for 500 rupees. You know, that's the thing I love about Sarojini Nagar. You can get an entire outfit which looks good, feels good also, like the quality of the material is also good, and it can be under 1,000 rupees. Now this top is like any other normal spaghetti strap top, but what I liked about it was like these ruffles at the top and this like tiny lace detailing at the bottom. I think it looks really cute. The kimono also is super pretty. I know it's like very crumpled right now, but it's really pretty because it has like this leaf embroidery running through like the center as well as on the sides, and I think that makes it look very pretty. Of course, the tassels give it a total bohemian look, which is also amazing. And these shorts, I saw shorts like these but in white at Colaba, and they were for 500 or like 550 rupees, which I thought was pretty expensive for like street shopping. And in Sarojini Nagar, I found the same kind, like the same lacy kind of shorts, and these were only for 200 rupees. Now the top and the kimono are both 150 rupees each, and I bought them again in this sort of like lane thing opposite a shop called Dixie. Now the next thing that I bought was this sleeveless top. Now this top is again just a really casual summer top, and this one was about 200 rupees. Now the shop that I got this at had a lot of tops on display, a lot of like these synthetic flowy tops, and they were all for 200 rupees. And this was like one of those open shops opposite a store called Stilettos, spelled with an A. Like it was spelled like stilettos, but it was supposed to be stilettos. And the last thing that I got at Sarojini Nagar was this outfit. Now this is just a really cute like short summer dress which has a very pretty lace design all over it, and it has pockets. I don't know why, but I really like dresses which have pockets in them because I just feel it's so convenient. Now this dress is pretty simple, so that's why I paired it with this kimono to make it look a little bit more ladylike and fashionable. Now again, you don't find like really good kimonos and like capes in the street markets in Bombay. So when I go to Sarojini Nagar, this is one thing that I have to pick up. I found both these, that is the dress and the kimono, in that same graffiti lane opposite Big C. And again, both of them were for 150 rupees each. So yeah, that was my Sarojini Nagar haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments what are some of the other markets in Delhi that I can visit. And of course, do subscribe to my channel for weekly fashion and lifestyle videos. Bye!